Do you ever wish you had more time in a day? What if I told you you could finish 5 hours of work in just 10 minutes? Today I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can literally save you hours every single day. These aren't just any tools, they're game changers. 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Whether you're writing blog posts, emails, product descriptions, or video scripts, ChatGPT does it all in seconds. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and editing, you just type in your idea, and boom, you get a full draft. Want it shorter, longer, funnier, more serious? Just ask. 2. InVideo AI. Don't know how to edit videos? No problem. InVideo AI takes your script and turns it into a polished, faceless YouTube video, complete with voiceover, stock footage, background music, and subtitles. In just minutes, your video is ready to upload. 3. Canva Magic Design. Need thumbnails, posters, or social media graphics fast? Canva's AI now designs for you. Just type what you want, like create a YouTube thumbnail about AI productivity, and it gives you ready-made designs. No graphic design skills needed. 4. Notion AI. Notion isn't just for notes anymore. Its built-in AI helps you summarize research, write reports, generate task lists, and organize your entire schedule. Instead of planning your week manually, let the AI build it for you. 5. ElevenLabs. Need a natural voiceover for your video but don't want to record it yourself? ElevenLabs gives you ultra-realistic AI voices. You just paste your script, choose a voice, and download high-quality narration in minutes. Now imagine combining all these tools. You write your content with ChatGPT, create your video with InVideo, design your thumbnail with Canva, organize your workflow with Notion, and voice it over with ElevenLabs. That's 5 hours of work, done in just 10 minutes. Don't waste time. Start using these tools right now. Subscribe to AI Inside Hub for more AI secrets and tutorials that actually work. Drop a comment. Which AI tool will you try